Okay, here's the primary kit. This Pelican case basically holds all the radio equipment, 2 dual band VHF, UHF radios and an HF radio, a computer and a Pactor 3 modem. Cover is hinged. The whole unit is contained on the chassis. The unit's built on an aluminum frame, so it's reasonably lightweight. And everything, because it's open on the sides, everything's accessible, wiring connections, etc. We have 2 kits. First of all, one is a documentation kit that's indexed by the device with all the manuals, documentation, and emergency messaging forms and other documentation that one might need. Here we have a kit bag that basically is a zippered bag that contains the miscellaneous cables, each in their own individual bag. Here, for example, we have the memory keyer, the headphones, connection kit, another set of headphones. Each radio has their own headphone. The kit is very much modular in design, so that we have the 2 dual band ICOM radios here. Each is on its own bracket. They're attached by Velcro, and each has an 8-foot umbilical that connects all the wiring to the main kit. You can take this to the workstation and deploy it on the workstation. So each can be separated either because of noise reasons or because of separation of stations, and can be quite easily set up. And each has a headphone jack, a speaker in and out switch, so that you can either use the internal speaker of the radio or the speaker that's built into the bracket. This second unit is identical to the first, other than the fact that this is the one that is the packet capable station. It's connected to the Pactor 3 modem, so they can be used for digital communications. The third station is the HF station, in our case a 10-wood TS480 HF radio. Again, it's completely self-contained, extensive use of Velcro just for ease of connections and ease of placement. External speaker with a selectable 1800, 500 or 100 filter, and a noise reduction. Here's the front of the kit with the power supply, the handheld radio, the chassis for the HF radio, the Pactor modem, and underneath here is the laptop in its own case. Here on the top we have the umbilicals for the 3 radios, dummy loads, a device that's an SWR and power meter, charger for the ICOM radio. Looking at the rear of the unit, we have a 12-volt accessory plug, standard 12-volt automotive plug. We have the chassis for the 2 dual-band radios, and here we have the power supply, which is basically a rig runner and a power gate. This is the second part of the kit. It's the antenna kit. Holds some of the longer pieces and the pieces that won't fit in the primary radio kit. Alright, it's housed in a Pelican case for ease of transportability. It's waterproof. Comes apart for field use. First of all, we have multiple lengths of coax with appropriate connectors. We have a length of wire, G5RV, guy ropes, flagging tape, a good solid mallet, a set of jumper cables, some nylon string, heavy-duty extension cord, and a couple of stakes. We have a carry bag. In the carry bag we have some LED emergency lighting, a couple of rolls of duct tape, some electrical tape, a bag of fuses, and a few other odds and ends. Here we have a kit carry bag for a couple of dual band VHF UHF antennas. It's a tripod, photographer's tripod, with a dual band antenna attached. Easy to set up in the field. Here we have a length of PVC pipe with a connector. It has in it all the radials for the dual band antennas and a screwdriver to fasten them. And the whole thing folds up very neatly in a compact case. Easy to carry, easy to set up. In the lid we have a list of all the accessories and the contents of the kit to make sure everything goes back in once the task is finished.